Um, is it just me, or does nobody have a sense of humor anymore? I mean, if you think about it, there's no reason to be uptight. I mean, I get mad about stupid shit, but, I'm not gonna let it fuck my whole day up. See? Like, hold on. Think about it. Now, you either got a sense of humor or you don't. I don't expect people to think I'm funny, because I'm really not. But I got a couple of people want me to eat spaghetti. I couldn't probably pull that off. I'm just tired of it, man. Yes? Because, there's people in the world fucking starving, and you're wasting food. It's kind of ignorant if you think about it. If you really do you understand what I'm trying to say to you? Anyway, I will get the spaghetti. I'm sorry, it's sandwich and chips. I will get the spaghetti as soon as I can. Until then, you take care and just know that there will be another video soon. Thank you.